This is the Venice Canal residence. There's a stairwell down there. 4 rooms. But what I did is I booked a room with a balcony. So let's take a look at this. Now, I did go in already, but I want to show you. This is the room. So, first, what you have to do is you got to go to their mailbox. Then you got to get a lockbox. Unlock the lockbox to get the key and the elevator card to get in. Okay, so first, starting out with the bathroom. All right, a little bathroom, shower, nothing major. They do give you everything that you need. Foam gun. All right. As soon as you walk in, you see this vacuum. Oh, that's my luggage. All right. Then you got a garbage can there. This is some kind of a. You can get everything on here. You can reach the front desk. You can call. I think this is Tony Stark put this here. All right. Then you got your lights. So let's start with, first they got a little couch right here. All right, then the kitchen. They got a nice little kitchen here. I mean, everything is tiny, but brand new refrigerator appliances, refrigerator, freezer. They got everything, toaster oven, rice, warmer, microwave. Alright, there's even a fan there. Alright, in the shelves, in here you got, I don't know, but they have everything in here that you need. That, I don't think so, that's for the fan. Alright, here. Alright, you got plates, you got bowls. Here they give you everything in that, knives, even a cutting board. Coffee cups, pans. Okay, what else? What's above here? Above the sink. There's more coffee cups. Okay, that's important. And the glasses. Perfect. Okay. Empty in here. Check out hot water. Let's see how we do it. Getting warmer. The thing is, it looks clean. It's got the water pressure. The warmth we're gonna have to work on. Alright, so there's your table. They do, I've got to say this, they got plenty of outlets. Alright, this is where you put your clothes. They give you an ironing board. There's an iron and a blow dryer in the top drawer there. That's an air mattress. They give you an air mattress if you need one. Alright. Lights for the bed. You got mood lighting here. I don't think I need those sticks on. Alright, well, whatever. Alright. You got a fan, you got shelves, you got air fresheners, smart TV, very good, surround sound, air conditioning, which is right there. Alright, now here's the best thing, the only reason I booked this thing. This is the terrace. Alright, this is the Grand Canal. The Venice Grand Canal, where I am about to go get some dinner. Look at that. Okay, this is The nicest part we've seen so far of BGC. Okay. Of course, that comes with a lot of rules. You cannot do this, you cannot do that, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. It's just really no smoking, don't flush down paper, don't, bunch of stuff. And that's it. I mean, so let me give you a wider view of the room with the canal. Right up your terrace. And boom. Alright. Well, there you have it. That's BGC Venice Canal. Wi-Fi. That's what I gotta figure out. Okay, bye.